Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a blueberry honey crumble pie. Now this blueberry pie is one of my all-time favorites and it's perfect for any summer cookout. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we have to make our pie crust. Now I'm going to do this in my stand mixer, but if you guys want to do this by hand, that also works too. So first we're going to add in 127 grams of all-purpose flour into the bowl of our stand mixer. And a little bit of sugar. Now we're going to chop our cold butter, and you want this to be cold straight from the fridge. That's what's going to make this pie crust super flaky. I like to cut the stick in half and then cut it into thirds. That's going to give us nice little chunks. Now we're going to add this butter into the bowl of the stand mixer with the flour. Now we want to have a 1/4 cup of cold water ready. Now we're going to mix on low until the mixture looks like wet sand. And all that means is the flour is going to completely coat the butter and the butter might break up a little bit. As soon as that happens, then we're going to immediately add in all of the cold water. And then the dough will begin to form. As soon as the dough starts to form, you want to stop the mixer because we don't want to overmix pie dough. So once the dough looks like this, then it's done. So go ahead and grab a piece of plastic wrap. And now if you still see some dry bits in the dough, that's okay. We're just going to mix them together by hand. Then just form this into a round disc and wrap it in plastic wrap. Now we just need to let this chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. So once our pie crust is chilled, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to make the crumble topping for this pie. So first we're going to melt 85 grams of salted butter in a small pot. Now you guys can do this in the microwave if you want, but I just like to do it over the stove. So while our butter is melting, we're going to mix up the dry ingredients. So first we have 113 grams of cane sugar, then 95 grams of all-purpose flour. And then we're doing half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Now we're going to pour the melted butter over the dry ingredients. Then we're going to mix together with a spatula to combine everything completely until you have a paste-like texture. So once this looks like a wet paste, then we're just going to set this aside while we mix up the filling. So now we're going to need a pound of blueberries. Now you guys can use fresh or frozen blueberries for this recipe, either works. But if you're going to use frozen, you just need to prep them ahead of time. To use frozen blueberries, you're going to need to take them out of the freezer for at least 24 hours before making the pie. Then you want to strain off all that excess moisture before adding them into the bowl with the rest of the filling ingredients. So after our blueberries, we're going to add in our cane sugar. And then we're going to add in our honey. And I just love the combination of the honey and blueberries in this pie. It's so delicious. Next, we're going to add in our all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to add in a teaspoon of cornstarch. And then, of course, some cinnamon. And now we're just going to fold this together to combine everything completely. So once our filling is mixed together, we're going to set this aside and grab our pie crust from the fridge. So go ahead and give it just a little bit of flour. So make sure you have your pie pan ready. Today I'm using my USA pan, which is an aluminum pie pan, which is really great for baking buttery, flaky pie crust like we're baking today. You guys want to make sure that you're using aluminum, cast iron, or stainless steel for the best flaky pie crust. Stay away from ceramic and glass pie pans because they'll really create kind of like a soggy pie crust, especially on the bottom of a pie like this. So now we're going to roll this out to about a 1/4 inch thick until it's just larger than our pie pan. So now we're going to transfer this to the pie pan. Now you just want to form the pie crust of the pie pan and lightly press it against the sides and the bottom. So now we have a little bit of excess pie crust around the edges here. We're going to roll this into the middle of the pie so it's even with the pie pan. Now we're going to take our thumb and pointer of one hand and our pointer finger of the other hand and go around and flute the edge of the pie crust. Now we're going to transfer our blueberry filling and spread it out evenly. Now we're going to take that crumble topping that we made and just crumble it right on top of the blueberries. Now it's time to bake this at 350 degrees for about an hour or until the topping is golden brown. And my top trick for you guys is putting this on a baking sheet. Whenever baking with fresh summer berries that are super juicy, they can leak out of your pies sometimes. It just happens. The baking sheet's gonna help keep your oven nice and clean. And now we have the most delicious blueberry honey crumble pie. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I cannot wait to cut into this pie and add a big scoop of vanilla bean ice cream right on top. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more bakery style pie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. So I always recommend baking with aluminum, cast iron, or stainless steel. Oh, shit. Fuck. So now we're gonna grab our pie pan.